This peace lily looks so neglected that no one would probably even want to pick it up. Its leaves were yellow, wilted, and looked like it was only waiting to be thrown into the trash. But what made me curious was whether, with just a few simple steps and some common kitchen ingredients, this plant could become healthy again. Hello, welcome to Great Garden Channel. If you also have a peace lily in a similar condition, be sure to watch this video until the end. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips. Now, let's get started. The first thing to do is bring the plant home and carefully inspect its overall condition. Then, separate each section of the plant to make it easier to assess its actual condition. Next, use a pair of sterilized pruning scissors to remove all wilted, yellowing, or completely dried leaves. Removing these damaged leaves helps the plant reduce nutrient loss and concentrate its energy on the remaining healthy leaves, allowing it to recover faster and produce new foliage sooner. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, rinse the entire plant under clean running water. This helps remove dirt, old soil, and any debris still attached to the stems, leaves, and root system, while also making it easier to inspect the plant's condition before continuing with the next steps. Place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated location away from direct sunlight and allow it to rest to reduce stress. Next, we'll prepare a nutrient solution to help the plant recover. The first ingredient I'll use today is aloe vera. Cut a small aloe vera leaf as shown in the video, then slice it into thin pieces. Cutting it into small pieces allows the aloe gel to be released more easily, helping its nutrients dissolve into the water more quickly and improving its effectiveness for the plant in the following steps. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. The next ingredient is a potato. Cut one potato in half. We'll only need one half. Then slice the potato as shown in the video. Cutting it into small pieces helps release the nutrients more quickly during soaking or blending, making the extraction process more effective and producing a nutrient solution that the plant can absorb more efficiently. Prepare a blender. Place all of the sliced aloe vera and potato into the blender. Loving these plant care tips. Like this video and subscribe so you never miss our next guide. Next, add 400 milliliters of clean room temperature water. Close the lid and blend until completely smooth. Aloe vera contains plenty of water, enzymes, and natural minerals that help support plant recovery and stimulate new root growth. Potatoes contain starch, potassium, and vitamin C, which help provide nutrients, encourage new shoots, and promote healthy leaf development. The combination of aloe vera and potato creates a natural solution that helps the plant recover quickly, develop strong roots, and grow lush and healthy. After blending, strain the mixture to remove all of the pulp. Keep only the clear liquid without any sediment. This liquid is exactly the solution we need. If you want to learn the secrets to caring for all kinds of houseplants, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Your plants can become healthier, grow strong new roots, and produce beautiful blooms throughout the year. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Using a clean glass cup, pour out a small amount of the solution. We'll use it in the next step. Place the peace lily into the cup containing the aloe vera and potato solution and soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Soaking allows the roots to absorb moisture and natural nutrients, helping the plant recover after treatment, stimulating new root growth, and encouraging healthier development. At the same time, dip a soft cotton pad into the solution and gently wipe both sides of the leaves. Wiping the leaves removes dust from the surface, supports more efficient photosynthesis, and helps the natural nutrients in the solution come into even contact with the leaves, helping keep them healthy, glossy, and full of vitality. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with indoor plants, feel free to post in the community tab of the channel. Let's learn, share, and grow together as plant lovers every day. Now it's time to prepare a new growing medium for the plant. Here, I'm using a mixture of 70% potting soil and 30% coconut coir. The potting soil helps anchor the plant firmly while maintaining the moisture needed for the root system. The coconut coir has excellent water-holding capacity, helping prevent the growing medium from drying out too quickly between waterings. Place all of the materials into a clean container or tray, then use your hands or a small trowel to mix everything thoroughly until the mixture is completely uniform. Don't skip this step. Mixing thoroughly ensures the components are evenly distributed throughout the growing medium, allowing the roots to experience consistent moisture and aeration in every part of the pot. If this video helped your plant, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow plant lover. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the plant from the solution and begin repotting. Prepare a pot like the one shown in the video. First, spread a layer of soil across the bottom of the pot. This layer helps support the roots, retain moderate moisture, and create a stable foundation for the plant. Next, place the plant in the center of the pot, spreading the roots naturally and positioning the base of the plant level with the soil surface. Then gradually add more soil, covering the roots completely, and gently press the soil with your hands to secure the plant. Do not compact it too firmly, as the roots still need enough space for proper air circulation. Now, the repotting process is complete. Use the aloe vera and potato solution you prepared earlier to gently water around the base of the peace lily. This solution helps provide natural nutrients, supports plant recovery, stimulates new root growth, and encourages healthier green leaves. Enjoying this video? Please give it a like and subscribe for more easy plant care tips. Thanks for your support. Then place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated location away from direct sunlight for the first 3 days, so it can adapt to its new environment and reduce transplant stress. After 3 days, once the plant has stabilized, gently mist it with clean water to maintain humidity around the pot. Maintaining moderate humidity helps reduce moisture loss, minimizes leaf wilting, and creates favorable conditions for new root development, allowing the plant to recover more quickly and adapt successfully to its new environment. Results. After 2 months of consistently following this method, you'll notice the plant becoming much healthier and more stable. New white roots will emerge, growing vigorously and anchoring firmly into the growing medium. The plant will continuously produce new shoots, while new leaves become darker green, thicker, glossier, and healthier. Older leaves will also be less likely to turn yellow or develop dry edges. With proper care, the plant will continue to grow vigorously with lush green foliage. When flowering season arrives, it will produce more flower buds and bloom with large, long-lasting white flowers that brighten your living space with fresh, vibrant beauty. What do you think about this method? Leave a comment below to share your thoughts or your own plant care experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Great Garden, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.